Before we dive into the content of the program, we need to explain why financial modeling and Excel go hand in hand. First, what is a financial model? It is a virtual representation of a business. It is also about translating a set of hypotheses into numerical predictions. A financial model's main goal is to reduce complexity and uncertainty. It can be very detailed or rather short, but should always aim to be easy to understand and work with. Financial modeling can be applied in many situations: business valuation, scenario planning, capital budgeting, cost of capital estimation, project finance, mergers and acquisitions, asset management, and more. It is a tool that has gained substantial popularity in the modern corporate world. Which are the two core skills of a good financial modeler? First, a modeler must be proficient in Microsoft Excel. This is where financial models are created. Practitioners prefer to use spreadsheets, as they allow flexibility and are easier to adapt on a case-by-case basis. The second fundamental skill is modeling, and you cannot model what you don't understand. So, the person creating a financial model must be able to understand financial relationships and build them into a model. Hence, a blend of financial modeling and Excel skills is required when preparing financial models. And this is exactly what this bootcamp offers. We will start with Excel. In the first few days of the course, you will learn everything you need to become a proficient Excel user. And then, once we've laid the groundwork, we'll learn about financial modeling and build a complete financial model from scratch. So, what are we waiting for? Let's move on to the first part of the course and learn right away. Dive straight in and begin this journey together.